Bow. Meow. Wow. We see a little dog. Bow. Ah. The little dog plays in the yellow paint. The little dog is covered in yellow paint. He sniffs at the cat. Meow. The cat is frightened. The cat spills the red paint and jumps at the dog. The cat and dog fight. The cat and dog fight some more. The dog chases the cat. The lady is getting ready to paint on the canvas. The dog and cat come running, covered in paint. The cat chases the dog around the lady, and she spills a can of black paint. The dog and cat, covered in paint, run around the lady. The dog and cat fall to the ground, and the lady smiles. Wow! The dog and cat, smiling, look at the painting that the two of them created.